Hi, my name is CJ and I'm going to show you how to cut your rods based on the type of mounting kit you are using. Before you begin, make sure that your posts and handrails are firmly mounted and that you have foot covers on all your posts. Let's get started. We provide most of the tools needed for this installation. You just need to make sure you have a tape measure and a Sharpie handy. Step 1. Determining run type. There are 4 different types of runs that you can have with signature rod railing. To determine the type of each run, lay out the mounting kits beside each of your posts. On each run, you'll have kits at each of your end posts, but no kits with your pass-through posts. Determine which types each of your runs are based on those end post kits. Step 2. Measuring. You'll need to cut your rods at different lengths depending on which run type you have. For each run type, you'll run a rod all the way through the top hole on your run, keeping one end flush with the back side of the tension post. Mark the rod at the inside face of the second tension post with painter's tape, and mark the rod with a Sharpie at the following measurements. Type 1. Level tension kit to level tension kit, 1.5 inches toward the first end post. Type 2. Level tension kit to level anchor kit, 1 3/4 inches toward the first end post. Type 3. Angle tension kit to angle tension kit, 1/4 inch toward the second end post. Type 4. Angle tension kit to angle anchor kit, 1 3/4 inches toward the first end post. Step 3. Cutting. Using an angle grinder and narrow cutoff wheel, cut the rods at the mark you made in the previous step. The rods cut pretty easily. It works best if you can have a friend hold down the rods or use clamps. That's it! Cutting your rods is easy. Be sure to check out our other videos to see how to install the rest of your signature rod railing system. You can see all of our videos at youtube.com/viewrail or on our website at viewrail.com.